If you want to create articles and write contents, then there is a specific ChatGPT designed for you. So over here for accessing that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here. And over here, you can see that Write for Me is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here and click on Start Chat around over here, then you can see that the Write for Me starts. And you can see the sample prompts that you can go around and write out. So for example, there's like 3,000 words on blog about future of SEO and so forth. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say write a 200 word blog about TutorTube YouTube channel being a great free source to learn online, just like this. So now if I were to go around and press enter right here, just like this, then what happens is that this is what you have right here. So it says TutorTube excels in offering a diverse range of content from academic subjects like mathematics and science. But I'm just going to go around and say correct the the content as TutorTube is a YouTube channel and it provides general computing and multimedia tutorials right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type this in right here, then what happens is that in digital age, education has transcended the traditional system, making quality changes accessible to anyone with an internet connections. And over here you can see that in a revelation, TutorTube, a YouTube channel dedicated to providing free high quality tutorials and general computing and multimedia topics right here. So you can see that there's video editing, graphic design, audio productions right here, just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the Write for Me ChatGPT right here, customize ChatGPT to go around and generate out contents for yourselves, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.